how to write video script with ChatGPT on Clickbank products. So first, you need to go to clickbank.com, sign in, create an account, pick a niche, and filter by gravity, conversion, rebuilding subscription. And then once you have your account here on Clickbank, what you're going to do is go to the marketplace and then select the specific product that you want to promote or you want to create a video script. So for example, this one right here. Now what you're going to do is that you can now go to ChatGPT, create an account on ChatGPT. It's for free, don't worry. So once you have your ChatGPT here, you can follow the prompt that I'm about to show you right now. So basically, you can use this prompt like write a YouTube video script that reviews the ClickBank product, enter the name of the product right here, target it at people aged 30 to 55 who want to lose belly fat, use a friendly, informative tone, start with a hook, provide benefits, how it works, customer reviews, and end with a call to action. You can add more information if you want to, just edit this one right here with the product's name and so on. And once you press enter, and then ChatGPT will provide you the video script for the ClickBank product. All you have to do is to copy, paste it somewhere like Word, edit it. Everything is up to you. You can also ask ChatGPT to put it this way. Okay, so for example, this one, so that it would be a more visible or clearer in your report. But this one is optional. Also, another thing is that you can add more or ask more prompts to ChatGPT. For example, add a more emotional hook targeting moms over 40, press enter, and you should see the result right away. Lastly, just add at the end of the script, click the link below to try the product name with a discount, limited time only, and your affiliate link. So basically, that's how easy it is to write video script with ChatGPT on ClickBank products. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.